If you want to reverse the direction that your shade rolls, simply roll your shade all the way down. Continue rolling the shade, it will roll itself back up in the opposite direction. Important: if you reverse the roll direction of your shade, you will need to flip the ring on your crank mechanism to prevent the fabric from interfering with the ring. Start by removing the 2 crank screws. Then lift the shade out of the valance, flip the ring, reinstall the crank screws, and place the shade back into the valance by first inserting the crank plug into the crank mechanism. Next, while pressing the pin in, insert the plug with pin into the plug disc. You may need to use a screwdriver to help lock it into place.